Wanted to show you a video on how to remove the filters on a Bullfrog hot tub, and then also some care maintenance to it. You first start by removing the Bullfrog filter cover. You take your fingers, put it off to the side, pull straight up evenly. You don't want to pull off one side or the other because it can be harder on the material. This literally just slides in here. You'll remove your cartridges, just set them off to the side. Inside of here, there's going to be a cap. You turn to the left, loosen it up, and same for the right. You'll just slide it up. It slides right up on this track. You pull it out, pull it off to the side, and you want to take and you want to rinse inside of here with a garden hose. I like to use the jet setting on a garden hose. You don't want to have like a high pressure washer type pressure, it'll ruin the material. But rinse these off monthly if you can, that would be great, or as needed if you're having really, really heavy usage. And then you want to make sure to replace these every 12 months. The pores in the material, they get clogged. And a clogged filter is the #1 reason for a service call. Over 70–75% of service calls of filters are the purpose of the call, because you know, a clogged filter will cause a lot of problems. To put it back in, after you get the new filter, you just slide it back into position. It'll slide down. You put the cap back on both filters. Put your cartridges back in. Cover back on. Just line it up. Slide it in there, and you're all set.